Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. Black and white adjustment layer is more than just making the image desaturated. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. First, create a black and white adjustment layer and open the Properties panel. At the same time, the image will go black and white. Then, at the top of the Black and White Properties panel, Photoshop has thoughtfully prepared many presets for us. If you select one of the presets, you will get a different black and white image. Also, you can find that the red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta slider changed as well. The question is now the image is black and white. Where do all these colors come from? In fact, all these colors in the images are still there. For example, if you drag the red slider to the left, the black and white adjustment layer will make the red areas in the image darker. To the right makes the red area in the image lighter. Also, the yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta slider can make such adjustments, because black and white images are just images with the saturation reduced to the lowest level. Another super easy method is you can click this icon and go to the image, click and drag to the left and right. The black and white adjustment will make this color you picked darker or lighter. To make a black and white photo still contains very rich information. We will need to fine-tune different color channels to get better results. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.